Fear was bleeding from the cracks in the wall, waiting for the storm to break. I felt so small. The thunder of the voices, the sting of the hand, drowned out the child in a godless land. I learned the lesson: to feel is to bleed. The soul has no room for a want or a need. Shivering in shadows, freezing in the gale, reaching for a spark in a world so a cold, silent room in a personal hell. You're never enough was the song that he sang, while the guilt in my soul like a heavy bell rang. The colors have faded, the scent is all gone. I'm walking through I'm tired of the fight, lost in a desert of shadows and white. No drama, no curses, no tears left to cry. Just a hollowed out ghost neath the lead-colored sky. I turn the key where the silence is deep. A survivor with promises he couldn't keep. The gray, the silence is all I have left.